going to do a review on the video I made earlier on how to upload booking codes on OneXBet. So the video I made earlier was on mobile, so today's video is going to center on desktop, laptop, tab, how to upload new videos on tablets or on laptop, on desktop. So today, if you're joining Agility Digest for the first time, you're watching my videos for the first time, kindly sit tight, toggle to the subscription area, subscribe to Agility Digest, turn on notification bell so that you get notified anytime I update new videos. So without wasting our time, let's dive into the business of the day. So today, if you have been having problems with how to load booking codes on OneXBet, when you get booking codes from Agility Digest on Telegram, you don't know how to enter it on OneXBet, either on your laptop or your desktop. So today I'm going to show you that. But before I do that, a lot of persons have been asking me, Agility, how do I get affiliate networks that I can join and make money? How do I get affiliate programs? You're an affiliate, you're doing internet marketing, you're looking for a website or a place where you can meet affiliate programs and make money from them, just as I've always done. Then I'm going to recommend a website to you. This is OfferVote. Here in OfferVote, they offer you a whole lot of programs, and one good thing about this is all their programs are legit. They are legit. When you subscribe, when you register with OfferVote, you get daily notifications. Every day you get notifications of affiliate programs that are available that you can join. So once you open OfferVote, it's spelled offervote.com. So once you open OfferVote, you are going. This is what that dashboard looks like. So these things you're seeing here now are affiliate offers that you can join and make money. If you look down here, you're going to see the amounts you will get per sale. So that is that. So if you're looking for an affiliate network or affiliate program, you have to get them, then OfferVote is the answer. So these are affiliate networks. If you're looking for affiliate network, these are affiliate networks. With OfferVote, the answer to how to get affiliate programs to join is solved. So that's that about that. So kindly use the OfferVote to get all you need in affiliate marketing. So without wasting our time, let's dive into the business of the day. So now, on OneXBet, you don't know how to load booking codes when you get booking codes from Agility Digest on Telegram. So if you've been looking for a way to join my Telegram channel, then I'm leaving the link to my Telegram channel in the description below. You can use the link to join my Telegram channel where I update daily predictions, daily free tips, and daily soccer predictions. So that's that about that. So now, assuming you've gotten a booking code on Agility Digest, but you don't know how to enter it, this is all you have to do. Once you open the desktop, once you open your once you click OneXBet and you open OneXBet on your desktop, this is what the dashboard will look like. All you have to do is to toggle down here. If you're watching this, so you're seeing where it is. So you see instant bets, you will see registration, you will see 100% welcome bonus, then you will see save/load bet slip. So all you have to do is, let me remove this one that I already have here. Now all you have to do is you come down here where it's written save/load bet slip. You click on this arrow down here, you just click on it, then you enter the code you've gotten from Agility Digest on Telegram. Then you get a code OneXBet. You enter the code you've gotten from Agility Digest, FK FKJRF. Now you enter the code you got from Athlete and you click load. Let's see if it loads. Now can you see that the code has loaded? You understand? So the code has loaded. That is how you load booking code on 1xBet. A lot of persons who used other sports makers or bookmakers websites, when they come to 1xBet, they find it difficult to load the booking code on 1xBet. So that's why I had to do a review of that video I made earlier. You know, that video centered on mobile, and I know a lot of persons do not know how to load booking codes on 1xBet. So that's why I said let me do a review of that video, so that if you understood it on mobile, probably you don't understand it on laptop or desktop, so it will be very easy for you to do that. You understand? So if you don't have an account with 1xBet, kindly use the link in the description below to register an account on 1xBet, or you use my promo code SAGES to get 300% welcome bonus on your initial deposit. SAGES is spelled SAGESS. So you use SAGES to get 300% welcome bonus on your initial deposit. And then that is that about how to load booking code. Now, assuming you don't know how to save or how to generate booking codes on 1xBet, probably after booking you don't want to play athlete, you want to play, maybe it's a game that you want to play in advance, you understand? So you're looking for a way to generate booking code. Now let's assume you selected these games. Let's assume these are the games you selected, so you want to generate a booking code so that you can be able to play it later. You understand? All you have to do is this same place. You come down here. Initially we used load. You come down here and you click save. Let's see what happens. Now can you see? Once you click save, then it has loaded here. So all you have to do is to copy and then you save it, or you write it down to play later. So anytime you want, just enter the booking code and the games will appear. So that is that about how to load booking codes on 1xBet. So if you don't have an account with 1xBet, kindly register with the link I'll leave in the description below and register on 1xBet. And if you're also looking for a way to become 1xBet partner, then I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you. If you want to become a partner of 1xBet and you want to promote 1xBet and get commissions, believe me, they are top number one in sports betting affiliate. So you can still use the link in the description below to join 1xBet partners program and get commissions every Tuesday as you promote 1xBet. That's that about that. So don't forget, if you're looking for a place to get affiliate programs, here is it for you on offer votes. So that's that about that. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you liked it. So leave me a comment in the description below. Tell me all about this video. Were you satisfied with the explanations? Were you satisfied with all I said? So leave me a comment in the description below if you're satisfied with it, and leave a like button so that Facebook will so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people so that it will serve their needs. Sorry. So that's that about that. Don't forget to use my promo code SAGES to register on 1xBet and get 300% welcome bonus on your initial deposit. And one more thing, if you've been looking for a way to join my Telegram channel where I update daily free predictions, then I'm going to leave the link in the description below so that you can use it to join my Telegram channel and view my daily predictions. Thank you and do have a blissful day ahead. Bye.